Just another day out here working at the deer camp. We're trying to make a bridge. Actually 3 of the 0-turn crates that they come in. Somebody come up with them somewhere. So we took some old down trees, put them under them, put the crates over top of them, and now we caught the sackcrete on sale. So now we're gonna try to smooth that out, pour some water on it, make us a concrete bridge. This is June, so by the time deer season gets here, this will be good and hard, and everybody have a good hard place to cross the creek. Well, we got 24 bags down and quickly realized that wasn't enough. So we went and got 24 more. We finna make this a bridge. Well, there you have it. 28 bags of sackcrete later. Put on sale at Atwood's, by the way, for like $3, 50 cents a bag, something like that. Took advantage of it and tried to make ourselves a bridge. Now, how that song go? Think I'm rednecker than you? If you got anything more redneck than that bridge, post it, comment. Show me what you got. We all country boys, we just do what we gotta do to try to work with what we got to work with, guys. Y'all know how it is. Gotta make things happen. Ain't got a pocket full of money. Work with what you got.